Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Waris. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Waris. Thank you for visiting my channel. Purpose of opening this channel is to give you healthcare, prevention and treatment of different diseases. If you have any problem related to health, please type in comment box and I will try to solve your problem in next videos. I will make my videos both English and Urdu as you can easily understand. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel as you can get my fresh and new videos timely. Hope you will like my channel and take care. Allah Hafiz.